The type of washing machine you use can have a big impact on your clothes as well as the environment, and paying more doesn't necessarily mean you'll get a better machine. Welcome to Choosing Better. I'm here with Ashley Iredale, and we're here to talk about the pros and cons of top loaders versus front loaders to help you choose which one is the best for you. So Ash, one of the first decisions that someone makes when they buy a washing machine is if they're going to go for a front loader or a top loader. Can you talk us through the main differences?
Certainly, and this is a source of much loyalty and discussion in the laundry. The obvious difference is form factor. So a top loader can be any different shape or size, whereas a front loader has to be a set of dimensions so it can fit within cabinetry and under a bench top. They also work differently. And a top loader will need to fill with enough water for your clothes to float freely in the drum, whereas a front loader will repeatedly pick up your laundry and drop it into the wash water.
And more people are becoming concerned about the environmental impact of their washing routine. Which one is the most efficient?
Well, a front loader is going to use a lot less water than a top loader. And because most of the energy that goes into doing your laundry goes to heating that wash water, it means a front loader is going to be more energy efficient as well.
And cost-wise, is one generally cheaper than the other?
Yes, so it's going to cost you a little bit more upfront to buy a front loader, but because of those energy and water savings over the lifetime of the appliance, you're going to see yourself ahead financially. And because they're gentler on your clothes are going to last longer as well.
And which one's going to give me the best results when it's actually washing my clothes?
That's a clear difference. It's going to be a front loader. It's also going to be more gentle on your clothes.
So you test about 50 washing machines a year in the laundry labs at Choice. Can you just talk us through the things that you look at when you're testing each machine?
Certainly. So our testing is based on the Australian standard for washing machines, with a few changes to more closely reflect how people use their machines in their own homes. For instance, we'll wash 3.5 kilos of laundry, which is about a full laundry basket. We'll also wash in cold water rather than warm because that's what most Australians do. We're assessing washing machines for dirt removal, gentleness, rinse performance, and spin performance. And it's the combination of those factors that make up our Choice Expert rating.
And when you're testing, do you find that the more expensive machines always perform better?
Not necessarily. And time and again, in fact, we find that price isn't necessarily an indication of performance. Now, there are some brands that typically perform very well, but within those brands you might find a wide range of performance from their machines, particularly if there's a difference between front loaders and top loaders.
As someone who I imagine has done a lot of loads of laundry over the years, what are your top tips for people to choose the best washing machine for them?
So obviously you want to look for a machine that's going to perform really well. But the other thing to consider is a lot of washing machines these days come with a whole bunch of fancy features. You might get Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic detergent dosing, a whole bunch of different esoteric programs. And if you're not going to use them, don't pay for them.
Thanks, Ash. Ash and the laundry experts here at Choice have tested hundreds of washing machines in the laundry labs to help you find the best one for you. If you found this video helpful, click to subscribe and visit choice.com.au to become a member and view thousands more expert product reviews.